Meaning of Doggett's coat and badge.
Doggett's coat and badge.
Doggett's coat and badge.
Doggett's coat and badge.
Doggett's coat and badge. Doggett's coat and badge is a traditional rowing race held annually on the River Thames in London, England. It was first established in 1715 and is considered one of the oldest continuous sporting events in the world. The race is open to young watermen who have completed their apprenticeships and is competed over a 4-mile stretch of the Thames. The winner of the race receives the coveted prize of a scarlet coat and silver badge, which has become a symbol of excellence in the river industry.